How to turn on or turn off camera mode settings to keep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on setting to keep. So after click on settings to keep, so you will see camera mode is here. So if you want to turn off camera mode, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see camera mode is turned off. So if you want to turn on camera mode, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see camera mode is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off camera mode from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera mode settings to keep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.